I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Oh God.
If you like it, then should
Put a ring on. Wait a second. I know I'm not the only one. Oh wow. Hello.
Здравствуйте, привет.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my shampoo. Yes, today we will finally redo Vincent's makeup look. I wanted to do this for a long time, actually, since you guys requested it. But now is the time. Oh, and don't mind this. Ooh. Somehow I managed to break off my actual real thumbnail. And I wish it was just a fake nail, but it is my real one underneath as well. I hope I can blend with this because this still hurts like hell if I move it. Just as a little backstory for the people who didn't watch the video with Vincent, he did my makeup. If you want to watch that, just click here somewhere, I think there or there, I don't know. And well, it came out beautiful. But I wanted to give it a try to recreate it myself and just do it a little bit more beautiful. I'ma stop talking now and let's get to the makeup. So first off, he used the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Well, let's do that then. And he used it like on my acne scars and under my eyes already, but oh well. Damn it, how am I supposed to do it with this finger? Ow! I need to do it with my left hand. Okay, now he's using the NYX Total Control Foundation. Unfortunately, I ran out of the shade he used in the video, so I have to use a darker one, which is not my skin tone at all. Oh God. Oh God. I'm just quickly going to mix in some of this shade, which is also not my skin tone, but I'm just trying to match my skin tone here. So, ooh, this looks great. Let's just mix that on my face, basically. This is way too much. I'm gonna look great after this. Okay, let's see if this actually matches my skin tone in the end. I'm very nervous. It's so weird using the left hand. Don't mind me taking off my super real piercing. I mean, this is not that bad. I think I actually matched the color of my neck. Okay, now he's contouring with the NYX Total Control Foundation and with a darker shade, and he used way too much in this video because this foundation is so pigmented, and he, of course, he doesn't know. I'm not even looking into a mirror right here. I'm just doing my thing. Oh my God, he didn't use any concealer afterwards. Well, I'm gonna do it. Let's just use a little bit of that Tarte Shape Tape to cover all of my ugliness. This is how I use my beauty blender now. Now he's using the Laura Mercier powder to set my face. Ooh. Okay, now he's doing my eyebrows with the Benefit Browsing Kit. My eyebrows need a tweeze. Ugh. Shit. Okay, now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. Vincent said this didn't do anything, and to be honest, he's kind of right. He's using the Marvicorn palette. And the green shade, I remember. Whew, that's an interesting color choice. So he used Moana. And I'm gonna do something he didn't do. I'm gonna apply a little bit of powder on my under eye in case I get fallout, because he had a little bit of problems with the fallout. So on the outer half of my eye and right here on the inner corner. I'm blending it out a little bit. Now he's going in with the Anastasia Prism palette, and he's using Obsidian, the black shade out of it. Okay, I'm just gonna get off the fallout and hope for the best. Huh? Oh, now he used the Violet Voss palette, but which shade did he use? I think he used Fiona, this one right here, just with his finger. And I remember this was not intense enough for him, so he used the Ultra highlighter. And he put that on top to make it even more highlighty, I guess. Didn't apply anything on the lower lash line. I mean, actually he did, because he had so much fallout, it all got on my lower lash line. Okay, let's get to the eyeliner. Use the Maybelline Master Ink. Can't even open it. Okay, before I start contouring like he did, I think he also used another product which I didn't even put in the video. And I think he used this NYX glitter in 07. When he applied the glitter to my eye, he didn't apply any glitter primer. So that's why the glitter basically got everywhere else but not on my eye. And now the glitter. And now he contoured my face with the good old Shade and Light palette. And next he applied some lashes. I think it was either Lily Lashes in Miami or in Caramel. But I can't find Caramel anyway, so I'm gonna do Miami. Oh, there's still so much lash glue on these. Taking off lash glue is the most boring thing in the world. I don't know what's worse, taking off the old lash glue from your lash or putting on new lash glue. I hope this is the right one for the left eye. Okay, now that I'm putting these on, I feel like he used the other ones. I think I applied way too much lash glue on this one.
It needs an eternity to dry.
I lost my lash. I just wanted it to dry. No, there was so much lash glue on it. How is it possible that it's literally completely gone? What? Where is it? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second, you little bitch! There's so much lash glue in my hair now. And now some mascara. Okay, next is the good old Huda Beauty highlighting palette. Winter highlighter palette. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Oh, he applied a lot. And I still don't know why, but he went in on my lips. And now he applied the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. Anywho, I'm gonna apply this lipstick with a little more precision than he did. Oh. This is literally the most gorgeous color of red I've ever seen in my life. Also remember me saying that I do not like red lipsticks on me at all, and then this lipstick stepped into my life. I also gotta say that this is a really interesting color combo, which I would never wear like this. Great, I almost forgot about the most important thing. He did add highlighter on my lips. I forgot. Okay. Again, I'm really glad I did that because I got out of my color comfort zone. That's normally not what I'm mixing on my face. Well, a big thank you goes out to Vincent for being my inspiration for this look. Wow, that was the cutest thing I've ever said to him. And yep, I guess that is it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Ow! Oh my god, it looks so disgusting. I have so much lipstick on my teeth. Follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh.
Mm.